Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you what does this heart icon mean on JBL Authentics 300. This heart icon allows you to play a playlist selected earlier in your JBL One app. To select your favorite playlist to use it with this heart icon, go to your JBL One app and then select your speaker. Go down to Moment and click on your playlist. Now you can select the music service on which you want to configure the playlist. I'm going to choose Calm Radio. Then click on it again and login. Let's log in. I'm gonna enter password of camera. And then click on login. Now I can select a playlist in Calm Radio, or if you've selected a different service, you can select a playlist on a different service. Let's search for a playlist. And now let's choose a playlist. I'm going to choose this one. And now you can see that my playlist is selected. And whenever I click on the heart button, it will play my favorite playlist. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.